Today we're gonna be making the poisoned apple margarita. This is a sweet and sour apple concoction rimmed with caramel and black salt. Black like my soul. Word on the street, if you drink this cocktail, you turn into a witch. I don't believe that.
What's up, witches? Are y'all ready to fly through this recipe so you can bring out your inner witch? Let's make it. The star ingredient in our margarita today is Suavecitos Blanco. Be sure to check out suavecitotequila.com for the whole line. They have the Blanco, the Reposado, the Añejo, and the Extra Añejo, all back in stock. So go get you a bottle of this dangerously smooth tequila. Grab a shaker and go in with 1 ounce of tequila. Next, add 1 ounce of sour apple schnapps. Not only is the sour apple gonna bring in some apple flavor, but it's also gonna give it that nice green witchy color. Next, we're going in with 1 ounce of apple juice. This is really gonna bring in some sweetness to our cocktail. And then we're adding a 1/2 ounce of agave and a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Add a dash of cinnamon and give that a really good shake. We're gonna prep our serving glass with some caramel, and then we're gonna dip it into some black salt. Our garnish today is a slice of green apple that we dipped in caramel and then dipped it into a touch more of that black salt. She is witchy, she is drippy, she is salty, sour, sweet. This margarita has every single flavor you can possibly dream of and imagine, okay? Dangerously good.
And if you guys like this cocktail, be sure to like and subscribe for more recipes like this one.
It's spooky season! Cheers!